Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into a seriously exciting gadget that's got the mechanical keyboard community buzzing, the RK KLUDGE S98 mechanical keyboard. If you're someone who lives for that perfect typing sound, wants a customizable setup, or just needs a reliable keyboard for work, gaming, or content creation, this 96% layout wireless mechanical keyboard might be your next desk obsession. With a built-in smart display, a premium control knob, hot-swappable switches, and triple connectivity Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz, and USB-C, the S98 is an absolute powerhouse that brings creamy acoustics, modern aesthetics, and top-tier functionality all in one sleek package. Let's kick things off with the design. The S98 has a 96% layout, which means it gives you all the essential keys including a number pad while saving desk space compared to a full-sized keyboard. It's compact, efficient, and clean, perfect for minimalist setups or those who want maximum utility without clutter. The top mount design enhances key stability and sound resonance, which is a big plus for those who care about that satisfying, deep thunk sound that mechanical keyboard fans crave. But what really makes the S98 stand out is the built-in smart display. This little screen adds a futuristic touch to your desk and serves practical functions too. You can customize it to show battery level, connection mode, time, or even custom logos and GIFs using the included software. It's a fun, personal, and actually useful feature that elevates your experience beyond the typical mechanical board. The knob, yes, the beautiful, tactile knob on the corner is another highlight. It's fully programmable and makes controlling volume, brightness, or scrolling a breeze. It has a nice clicky feedback and adds both style and control to your keyboard use. Whether you're watching videos, listening to music, or adjusting settings mid-game, this knob gives you fast, intuitive access without reaching for your mouse or separate media controls. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The S98 offers triple mode options, Bluetooth 5.1 for easy wireless pairing with up to 3 devices, a 2.4 GHz dongle for low latency gaming or productivity, and a USB-C wired connection for the most stable experience. Switch between your PC, tablet, or even your phone in seconds. This makes it ideal for multi-device workflows, especially for students, professionals, or creatives juggling between systems. Under the hood, this keyboard features hot-swappable sockets, meaning you can change out the switches without soldering. Want to try out linears, tactiles, or clickies? Go right ahead. The S98 is compatible with most 3-pin and 5-pin MX style switches, so it's super flexible. It comes pre-equipped with factory lubed switches that provide a smooth, creamy typing sound and feel, perfect for both work and casual gaming. Typing experience is buttery smooth thanks to the quality stabilizers and high-grade keycaps. The pre-lubed stabs and dampening layers give it a refined, premium sound profile out of the box, no modding required. The keyboard just sounds and feels great to use, with no rattles or harshness. On the customization side, RK's software gives you full control over lighting effects. Yep, it's got full RGB, macros, function layers, and smart display customization. Whether you're into aesthetic setups or productivity workflows, you can tailor everything to your liking with ease. The battery is impressive too. With a high-capacity built-in battery and power-saving features, you'll get days, even weeks of use on a single charge depending on your lighting and connection mode. And charging is quick via USB-C, which also allows pass-through functionality when using it wired. So, who is this keyboard for? Honestly, anyone who values performance, design, and versatility. Whether you're a gamer wanting responsive keys and low latency, a programmer who types for hours, or a remote worker who wants something stylish and practical, the RK KLUDGE S98 hits all the right notes. It looks amazing, sounds even better, and feels fantastic to type on. In summary, the RK KLUDGE S98 mechanical keyboard is a smart, stylish, and satisfying keyboard that checks every box, from a vibrant smart display to hot-swappable switches, creamy acoustics, and multi-device connectivity. It's one of the most complete mechanical keyboards in its category, offering both fun and function in one compact layout. If you're ready to take your keyboard game to the next level, definitely give the S98 a closer look. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and let us know in the comments what your dream keyboard setup looks like. Happy typing!